Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing a transmission fluid change on this Arctic Cat 150 utility ATV. If you have a Kymco MXU 150 ATV or a Textron Altera 150, they're also the same ATV, so this change will apply to those as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so things you need to do this, you're going to want to have a 3/8 inch drive ratchet with a short extension, 12mm and 14mm sockets. Pick yourself up a quart of 80 W90 gear oil and a drain pan, obviously, and you're going to want to have a couple shop towels in case you spill some. Alright, so when we do this, we're going to have to take out 3 different bolts. There's going to be the drain plug, a fill plug, and then in the middle here between the sprocket and the shift mechanism, there's a plug that's you remove for the fill level. So whenever we fill the fluid level, once it's full, it'll come out of there. So before we drain the fluid, I recommend breaking loose both of those, the fill plug and the level plug. Be in a hard position if you you drain all the fluid out and then you find out that those are seized or stuck, then you have no way to put fluid back in. So definitely break those loose before we take the fluid out. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Both of those broke loose for me, so we're good to go. And then we'll go ahead and remove the drain plug and let the fluid out. While we're letting that oil drain, we can go ahead and remove the fill plug and the level plug, set those aside. Go ahead and reinstall the drain plug. You can just snug this up if you want, but the real torque spec on this is 21 foot-pounds is what you want to tighten that drain plug to. Alright, so we're ready to go ahead and fill it up now. All we're going to do is we're going to put fluid in there until we see that come out of that level hole in the middle, and then we'll be all set to go ahead and put that level plug back in. This is going to take a while because you can only add so much at a time through this small top hole. Oh, there we go. We're starting to see it come out of the level hole now. Then we can go ahead and put that level plug back in. And you can also put the fill plug back in as well. Both of these, you pretty much are just going to tighten them down pretty snug. It's not as crucial as the drain plug. After that, just want to wipe off anything you spilled. Got a little bit on the side of the case here, so I'm just going to wipe that up. And that's it. You're all set. That's all there is to it. All right, everybody, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was helpful. If you did like, give me a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.